Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Supermom Pooja and in this video I'm going to do unboxing and give my review on Beazle Helix Turbo Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. So guys, if you live in a small apartment or if you have a frequently moving job or you are on a budget, I have a perfect product for you. Before I start my video, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased it from Walmart and it's under $50. So this vacuum cleaner comes in this box. This is turbo brush, lower cord holder and dusting brush. The tool quality is very good. This is the upper handle of the vacuum cleaner. And the assembling is very easy. It's only 2-screw assembly. The color I chose is red and black. It comes in different other colors also. This is the main body or the base body of the vacuum cleaner. This is the hose and it expands very well. This is the extension band. The weight of this vacuum cleaner is around 13 pounds. It's very lightweight and the design also very nice. The all tools are on board, so you are not going to lose any tool by keeping it anywhere else. And here my husband is fixing the hose and we just checked that the inner wall of this hose is very good, so we are not going to lose any vacuum, so it is kind of sealed. Here are the screws which you have to screw it down there with the help of screwdriver. So here you can put your duster brush and your turbo brush in front, and this is how you are going to assemble your vacuum cleaner. The cord length is around 23 foot. So I'm just showing you how it works on different surfaces. As you can see here how nicely it pick up all the dirt and hair. So if you have pet in your house, it's going to pick up all the hairs also. And there is no leak in the vacuum. So I'll just show you how it works very well, and it's not throwing any dirt behind it. The power is very good. So guys, I highly recommend you to purchase this if you are on a budget. It gives you everything what you want. Even my 5-year-old boy also like to vacuum with this. So you can imagine how lightweight it is. And the part of this vacuum cleaner you can easily take out and you can just wash it with dish soap and water and let it dry and again reassemble, and it's good to go. So the cleaning and the maintenance is also very good, and in the Walmart you find lots of reviews about this. So here are the height adjustment for the bare floor and the high carpet, and for the switch on and off you can easily do it with your foot, and the other gray button is for unlocking the upper body of the vacuum cleaner so that you can easily clean under the furniture. I use it for cleaning my ceiling fan because I have a low ceiling, and with the turbo brush I am cleaning my sofa, and it's really pick up all the hairs. So guys, this is how it works on different surfaces. And let me show you how you can empty your bin after using it. So just you have to click that button, remove from the main body, and this is, you have to just turn it back. So this here you have to press this button and you can easily remove all the dirt from the vacuum cleaner and again lock it up and fix to the main body. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you so much for watching.